The crypto market is seeing a slight little dip right now here, but honestly, the opportunity has never been bigger, especially on altcoins. I mean, we can see that the Bitcoin dominance chart is clearly showing us altcoins are about to be having an absolutely insane rally. The crypto markets, excluding Bitcoin in terms of market cap, is also indicating a major breakout is about to be happening soon. And I do believe that real world assets, which are already trading against an all-time high, are going to be a very big thing in this upcoming cycle. So in today's update video, I will be discussing a very important real-world asset you need to know about, which is in my opinion very undervalued right now. We've seen many coins like Mantra, like Ondo recently absolutely explode, doing over 50x's in only the past few months here, and I am looking towards the next one, which is going to be doing the same here. So in today's update video, I will be discussing that, so don't forget to once again slap on that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me dive in towards the content. First of all, I want to be discussing that the entire RWA sector right now is valued around 62 billion US dollars and is up this year already over 73% here, which is of course quite massive. We're seeing a clear trend that RWA is of course here to stay, and that this is also already a big thing of this cycle. And yeah, names like Ondo is also a coin that recently has absolutely exploded. I mean, only just look at this price action, guys. It has been going up and up and up, and it's just creating higher lows every single time. And honestly, I do want to be catching the next Ondo because yeah, all you want to do right now here is of course catch that next big altcoin that is going to be exploding. So without any further ado, let me jump straight away in towards that altcoin, because the altcoin I want to be talking about in today's video is RWA, a coin right now valued around $12 million in market cap here. And honestly, it got loads and loads of possibilities to grow much further. It launched in the end of 2024 during November, and now it has been seeing some steady price action. And if you're looking at the price action right now here, ever since the launch, it moved up here, and now it is consolidating in this bull flag look-alike pattern. And honestly, whenever this is going to be breaking out, it probably will be seeing a major surge next year. So this project, before I'm going to go exactly in towards the fundamentals and in their roadmap, honestly, if you just scout the basics, they have got great listings on Nexi, Gate.io, KuCoin. In the upcoming weeks, they're going to get listed on Bitmart. They're also going to get listed on xt.com, and they're also running major campaigns on KuCoin and Gate.io. So yeah, really, they've got the listings in place to absolutely let this explode here. And with right now the price only sitting around $11 million in market cap, the listings are looking fire. I did some more research in towards the project, and of course, before buying into this or doing any research, guys, make sure to always do your own research as well on these projects. I have done a lot of research on it. I personally think it is looking quite fire, but I would highly recommend to everyone out there to first do your own research before buying any cryptocurrencies, because some cryptos, they can indeed go to zero, and some of them though would do 100x here. But make sure to do your own research. But just like I have done as well here, after doing my research, I saw of course that the exchange listings are looking fire. They're doing a lot of campaigns, they're doing a lot of marketing. I started to do a deep dive in towards their website. What are they exactly doing here? So of course, it's a tokenization project, because that is literally what RWA is here, and the coin is also called RWA, so the name is also quite nice. And of course, it's got a catchy name here. And honestly, I do really think that is also very important for a project, right? To straight away clarify, I am also holding this token. So of course, if the price goes up, I am benefiting from that as well here. So basically what they're doing, they have made tokenization easy. And to quickly run it through here, first of all, they've got major companies and other cryptocurrency projects backing them right now here, which is of course great to see. Just like I said earlier, they've got great listings. They're audited by Hecken. They are doing regularly buybacks here, which is ultimately extremely bullish if you would ask me here, because with the revenue, they are doing monthly buybacks, and for the month of January, they're going to be buying back another 50,000 US dollars in RWA here to of course pump up the price here. And that is ultimately super good here. And with the tokens they are buying back here, they're just gonna burn it. So right now we have 126 million tokens in circulation, but they're constantly buying these back with the profits they are making, and with the tokens they are then buying back, they're gonna burn them. So ultimately, they're getting more and more tokens out of circulation, so that's ultimately super good here. They've been doing this for quite a long time right now here. Since their launch, they have done over 40,000 US dollars in buybacks and burns, and right now with January coming up, they're going to do a $50,000 buyback. That is honestly extremely bullish if you would ask me here. So basically what they're doing is they're tokenizing things here. They're merging real world assets into crypto assets, and that is of course an extremely bullish thing here. And if we're right now going to look at their roadmap for 2025 here, we've got a lot of interesting things coming on here, and I really like this project, especially since they're bringing out a lot of announcements on their Twitter. They are actively building, they're actively working on the product, and you can see it also on the roadmap. I would highly recommend for everyone to check it out. I will leave a link to their roadmap and their website in the link description of today's video, so you can have a look at yourself. But basically, right now, starting Q1 of 2025, they're going to begin the development of the RWA layer 2 blockchain. And yeah, I mean, honestly, there's so much things they are currently doing here. But basically, to summarize it, they are building a full RWA ecosystem. And honestly, in Q2 2025, they're going to be finalizing the layer 2 blockchain and the DEX. And at the same time, they're working on a lot of more stuff here to do. They're just trying to, of course, make the company bigger. They also got a launchpad, which you can use yourself as well here. You could apply for the launchpad if you want to be tapping into the Web3 space here, if you want to tokenize anything. Honestly, they have got so much products, which is, in my opinion, quite good here. Also, very good staking pools here with good APR. And yeah, honestly, if you do believe in the project for the longer vision, it is very good to, of course, stake your tokens, since the APR is quite good here if you do lock up your tokens for quite a long time here. And honestly, I do really think that this bull market, it will be performing very strongly. So I'm very excited for the project. I think the chart, of course, fundamentally speaking, is looking very good, but the chart is ultimately looking even better in my opinion. Honestly, we're creating a major push up towards the upside, then consolidation since the beginning of December. And honestly, whenever altcoin season is going to kick off, which I ultimately think it will be happening anytime soon here, I do really think this is going to be exploding. And honestly, the RWA narrative in general is also going to come, in my opinion. We've seen already Ondo do extremely well here. It is now valued around $1.8 billion in market cap. And honestly, that would mean if RWA is going to match it, it's going to do a 180x here, which is, in my opinion, quite insane if you would ask me here. So honestly, the opportunities are quite massive right now for RWA here. I would highly recommend for everyone to check it out in the link description of today's video. I will leave all the links below, guys, here. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.